The next WOW video. It's part 284C3K21. Line 22f1fa19c3k21. Yang-Mills gap mass millions theory Wow Seti. So there's the alien radio signal with the equations. Yang-Mills field, I googled it to see what it was, and I think I've googled it several times and I keep forgetting what it means. Sorry about that. Yang-Mills theory is a gauge theory based on the SUN group. Quotes from Wiki. This prompted a significant restart of Yang-Mills theory studies that proved successful in the formulation of both electroweak unification and quantum chromodynamics, QCD. The electroweak interaction is described by SU2 times U1 group, while QCD is SU3 Yang-Mills theory. The electroweak theory is obtained by combining SU2 with U1, where quantum electrodynamics, QED, is described by a U1 group and is replaced in the unified electroweak theory by a U1 group representing a weak hypercharge rather than electric charge. The massless bosons from the SU2 and U1 theory mix after spontaneous symmetry breaking to produce the three massive weak bosons and the photon field. The standard model combines the strong interaction with the unified electroweak interaction, unifying the weak and electromagnetic interaction through the symmetry group of SU2 times U1 times SU3. In the current epoch, the strong interaction is not unified with the electroweak interaction, but from the observed running of the coupling constants, it is believed they all converge to a single value at very high energies. In mathematical physics, the Yang-Mills existence and mass gap problem is an unsolved problem, and one of the 7 Millennium Prize problems defined by the Clay Mathematics Institute, which has offered a prize of US $1 million to the one who solves it. Hey, that's pretty cool. The problem is phrased as follows: Yang-Mills existence and mass gap. Prove that for any compact simple gauge group G, a non-trivial quantum Yang-Mills theory exists on R4 and has a mass gap of the triangle or better than 0. Existence includes establishing axiomatic properties at least as strong as those cited in 4535. Of course, when I read this, I had absolutely no idea what it means. Just, but I've actually come to axion atoms in another video, so maybe it's there. You never know, these WOW videos, right? They answer the questions in strange ways. In this statement, Yang-Mills theory is the non-Albian quantum field theory underlying the standard model of particle physics R4. Is Euclidean for space the mass gap. Triangle is the mass of the least massive particle predicted by the theory. Therefore, the winner must first prove that Yang-Mills theories exist and that it satisfies the standard of rigor that characterizes contemporary mathematical physics, in particular constructive quantum field theory, which is referenced in the papers 45 and 35, citing the official problem description by Jaffe and Witten. The winner must then provide that the mass of the least massive particle of the force field be predicted by the theory is strictly positive. For example, in the case of G equals SU3, the strong nuclear interaction, the winner must prove that glue balls have a lower mass bound and thus cannot be arbitrarily light. Millennium Prize, the Yang-Mills existence and mass gap problem. So that's what it's called. So I looked it up to see what it was, and this is what I found. As these properties are not visible in the classical theory and arise only in the quantum theory, understanding them means we need a rigorous approach to quantum Yang-Mills theory. Currently, we do not have the mathematics to do this, which I find very interesting because the Yang-Mills comes up a lot in the WOW videos with math equations, so stay tuned. Maybe you'll be able to figure it out from watching the videos. And maybe I figured it out and didn't even know it. And if I did, please send me the money, or some money. I wouldn't mind a few bucks. Actually, put it towards research, it's alright. Currently, we do not have the mathematics to do this, although various approximations and simplifications can be done, which suggests the quantum theory has the required properties. The Millennium Problem seeks to establish by rigorous mathematics the existence of the mass gap, that is, the non-existence of massless particles in Yang-Mills theory. The solution of the problem would involve an approach to quantum field theory in 4 dimensions that is sophisticated enough to explain at least this feature of quantum non-Albian Yang-Mills gauge theory. So this is the conversation.edu.au. Looks like it's from Australia. Cool, eh? Keywords, path integrals. Quote wiki. The path integral formulation of quantum mechanics is a description of quantum theory which generalizes the action principle of classical mechanics. It replaces the classical notion of a single unique trajectory for a system with a sum of functional integral over an infinity of possible trajectories to compute a quantum amplitude. October the 11th. My thoughts. And this will be the end of the video here. This is very interesting as you are looking for math equations to figure out your difference theories, and the WOW data keeps on bringing up math equations along with different keywords. I wonder if it shows us how to figure everything out. Wouldn't that be cool if it did? We'll have to do some serious cross-referencing to see if it does and put the puzzles together. So thank you for watching. I'll go on to, actually I'm going to take a break. Thank you.